Ujua bunanzi, ejuni, bunanzi nani, ejuni, bunanzi zona, ejuni, bunanzi zona.
Oh, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Blika, and welcome to the vlog. So guys, if you guys are new to this channel or maybe to this journey, please consider to subscribe to this channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider to do so, and then also share this video and like it as well. And if you're a return subscriber, I'd like to thank you so much to keeping on with the content, keeping on with my journey of the YouTube channel and stuff like that. But yeah, I just wanna obviously showcase on today's vlog. Actually, today's vlog we're doing I'm just gonna show you the showcase to you my first house plan that I bought or I ever bought. So yeah, I just want to show you guys obviously the plan that I bought. It was just a 2-bedroom house plan, and then obviously the house plan, it was a bit small. It was cozy, small, and obviously when I acquired that plan, I think it was back in 2020, and obviously I wanted something small, something I can quickly build and obviously maybe upgrade it at a later stage. So yeah, obviously I went for that 2-bedroom, and then the 2-bedroom obviously contain about the obviously 2-bedroom and a small kitchen, small dining area, and obviously a family lounge. And then obviously the one of the bedroom or the master bedroom had an in-suite, and obviously a bath and a separate bathroom as well. So yeah, I wanted to build something small back in 2020. Obviously, something that I can just maybe build it within the next, or maybe the next 6 months or 4 months, if I'm not mistaken. So I wanted to do something like that. But obviously, it's in due time. I had to change obviously my mind. I did change my mind obviously due to because of the obviously my partner did advise that okay, although she did ask, she obviously asked a question that like, so are you gonna have this house forever, or gonna have this house forever? I was like, yeah, kind of, or maybe it's gonna be a cottage at the later stage. Like, okay, why don't you go big? Why don't you go for the actual planet, or maybe the actual house that you're looking for? And then obviously then you can just it doesn't long how long it takes to build it. You can just you can be patient enough to complete it, as long as it's something that you love. And then because obviously with this house, I know it's cozy and beautiful, the plan is beautiful and the design is beautiful, and but it's nice, and obviously it's suitable for maybe for a family of 3 or family of 4. It can fit a family of 4, but obviously in the long run you're gonna want to or maybe in the next 5 years you will want to upgrade it, or maybe renovate it, or maybe add on it. And I was like, yeah, you kind of have a point, but I don't have the money. The house that I want, it requires a lot of money, and obviously I would just wanna have things on my own, maybe starting with this one. Like, yeah, but she's like, be patient. Why don't you be patient? Why don't you wait? Why don't you save up for it? Why don't you do it phase by phase? And like, why go for something that you're gonna demolish in the next 5 years, or maybe in the next 4 years, for example? Because the competition with maybe the competition, no, not really the competition, but the people are developing, and obviously it's not like you're gonna be competing, but it's gonna be like you want something. You want whatever maybe your age group has. Maybe if they're building something like that you always wanted from the start, maybe a bigger house, or maybe a double-story house or something. Why don't you go for that? And it doesn't matter how long it takes. And then obviously she had a point, and obviously I went to obviously with the current plan that I'm currently, or maybe for those who are keeping up with my building a village home or building a village house project, they can see that okay, the plan, it's different from the one that I'm showcasing to you now. But yeah, so obviously that was the plan, and obviously that was there's a fly here. Yeah, and obviously that was the plan, and obviously there was and then obviously I had to change my mind, and obviously after changing my mind, I obviously contacted the guy who did this current plan that I'm showcasing now, and to do another plan, which is the double-story one. But yeah, I think the name of the guy who did or the name of the company that did my house plan, or both of my house plan, this one and the one that I'm currently building, at I think Pasha Holdings. I'm just gonna put his logo or maybe his details on the description down below. Yeah, but just note the guy is not sponsoring this channel. I'm just supporting him because I think it does some nice house plans, and obviously also provided 3Ds which I'll be showcasing to you now. And then obviously I love his work, his quality works, and also he also build as well. He also has a construction company as well. We also build, do roofing and plastering and stuff like that. But yeah, he's not sponsoring this video. I'm just mentioning out there, putting out there that okay, if you guys are interested in the house plan or looking for a house plan, you can just quickly contact him. But yeah, I'm just gonna put his description down below, and then, yeah. So obviously I contact. So obviously, I think the size of the house, it's 100 square meter by 200. The size of the house and my first plan house, and it was not that big actually. It was just nice and cozy. I was gonna I was planning to finish it in the next, maybe in the next 6 months, the latest, or maybe 3 months, the latest. I mean, 3 to 6 months. I'll give it myself a time period of the 6 months. But yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys the plan. Obviously, I'm starting off with obviously with the right side of the plan. Obviously, the right elevation, and obviously going to the left elevation as well. Yeah, as you can see, the sets are not quite big, but yeah, and then going back to the back elevation, and then obviously the front elevation as well. It was a good size house. Okay, on this one, I'm just moving directly to the plan. As you can see, this is starting with the bedroom, the in-suite bedroom. Obviously the bedroom has the bathroom, obviously, which is just a shower, a place to put a sink, and obviously a basement, obviously a toilet. Move on to a passage. Obviously there is where you can put your second or first bedroom or first bathroom, which would be put a bathtub, and then basin, and also toilet as well. And then the second bedroom, obviously it's just a bedroom. You can, on this bedroom, just put a bed. Obviously there will be a storage as well. And obviously showcasing the kitchen, the small kitchen, obviously the sink, and the place where you can put the fridge, and a small island where you can put the stove as well. And then moving to obviously to the dining area, just a small dining area, nothing fancy. And then yeah, and that, and then goes to obviously to the where you go to a family lounge. Yeah, we can put your TV couch, and obviously your coffee table. And obviously yeah, these are the 3D. Obviously I'll show more pictures once I'm done showing off the plan here. But yeah, these are the 3D pictures of the house. As you can see, it's very nice and graphics. Yeah, it's not, yeah, it's as you can see, the plan is currently under my name. So yeah, guys, I'm currently selling this house plan. For those who want it. I'm gonna sell it for you guys for less amount. I got this house plan for 3,000 rand. I think the guy made the discount for me and then gave it to me for, I think, 2.5. But yeah, I'm selling this house plan. Maybe if you want it, just inbox me or leave a comment, and I'm gonna sell it for you. This house plan is, cause I can sell it for you for maybe for 800 rand, maybe less than 1,000. Yeah. So if you want it, hook me. So yeah, guys, I just want to mention today's video sponsor. This video is sponsored by SWT Trading Enterprise. So the guys specialize in building, foundation, slab installation, and also roofing, and they also plaster as well. So if you're looking to build yourself a new home or a new house, or if you want to renovate, you can contact them on the description below. I'll put the contact details on the description below. If you're looking to renovate or maybe to build a new home, the guys got you covered.
Looking to build a new house or renovate your current home? Look no further. SWT Trading Enterprise is here to assist you We specialize in building, foundation laying, slab install, roofing, and plastering. We are located in GIYANI, BUNGENI, ELIM. Contact us now for a low quote at 076 444 2209 or alternatively at 083 533 344.
Yeah, so on this slide I'm just showcasing the obviously the 3D pictures of the house. Very nice and graphical, nice. I love the how whenever I'm doing a house plan, or I want the house that comes with the 3D pictures, so that I can visualize the house, can see how to look like when it's complete, the color, obviously the roof, yeah, so aluminium is everything. So whenever I'm buying house plan, I wanted to have a 3D picture so that at least I can visualize, have something. So yeah, guys, if you want to start a house project, yeah, you can definitely start, but obviously you're gonna need a house plan so that can guide you on what to buy if you want to build a house for yourself. You're gonna need a house plan that can guide you how many bricks you're gonna need, how many windows you're gonna buy, and how much your labor gonna cost, the roof, what kind of a roof are you looking for, and stuff like that. So it's gonna guide you with regards to that. So yeah, guys, so we have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for keeping up the content. Thank you so much for them my subscribers, for obviously supporting my channel, and for those who haven't subscribed, please consider to subscribe. It doesn't, you don't spend a cent, you don't spend anything. You just click on the subscribe button, click on the notification down below, ring bell, and then obviously you get notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. But yeah, thank you so much for those who have been supporting me from start, supporting the channel from start, keeping up with the content. Yeah, I really appreciate it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.